tutorial we are going to learn how can we edit our profiles, whether you are a teacher or whether you are a student. So this course is specifically made for the tutors. We are going to cover this and change password or edit our profile. So you go and log into your account first. I've done. Then you click on this button and click on view profile. So this is the information about the user. More information. Here you can see the summary. You want to edit this option. The best option is you click here, edit profile. Now you can see the whole detail. The username, password, you can change from here. You can write the new password. Remember, one uppercase instructions are here. It must be at least 8 characters, 1 digit, 1 lowercase, uppercase. You follow these instructions. Suppose you are doing for your student, you can go to the account same way, and then you can force them to, next time when they log in, first time they have to change this one, but now you are changing your own. This one, red marks, means these 3 things you cannot change. You can change your username, but you cannot change these 3. They are the first identity for your account, of your account. You can change. You can write description here if you want to write. Change the image picture, profile picture. You can upload from here. Picture description, additional name, surname, middle name, interest, and again this very important, your Skype ID, ID, website, if you have MSN ID, your phone number, your mobile number, other addresses, institute, department. So once you have filled all these field, you can click on update profile. Your profile will change. If you want to fill all these information, you can do from here. That's how you can edit and change the password of your account. Very simple. So for this tutorial, that's all. Thank you.